Mic check.
This wheel, this car, let's do it. Look how nice this is. I just got this car detailed after my apartment complex got overspray all over it. 300 bucks. Look at it shine. Ignore the rock chips and stuff. It's got 200,000 miles. Anyways, let's do it. Super simple first step. Ignore the bucket of oil you have in the back. Undo this. Pull this bad boy out. Struggle. 10 millimeter open face ratchet. Get it wrong 3 times before you find the right ratchet. Loosen this 10 mil ratchet. Pull your negative terminal off. Well, make sure it's loose enough. Up next, you need to pop out your airbag. Do this by, get you a better angle here. This little hole right here, slot flathead screwdriver and whatever you want, pick tool, whatever you got. Push that screwdriver in up at this awkward angle. Your goal is to push these clips in right here. You push those clips in, allows your airbag to pop out. Lets you get to your center nut. Pop everything out, whole airbag comes out, and you're good to go. So we're gonna do that now. It might be a little bit of a struggle, but do it enough and it's gonna work. Just be patient. Okay, once your airbag's popped out, you got these wires in the back. You wanna remove your ground, you wanna remove these clips, undo all this, and then the steering wheel should be ready to go once that bolt's off. So that bolt in the middle, 16 millimeter, you're gonna want an extension because obviously you see the depth of the steering wheel is more than your ratchet probably has. So you're gonna want to add just a little bit of an extension, not too much. All you have to do is unplug these clips from the inside, super easy, flathead screwdriver on that one. Black one just pulls out. From the back of your steering wheel, you're gonna have a 2-stage, if you have a 2-stage airbag, you're gonna have these clips, these top parts where you can see the plastic mar. You just push those up and then they both pop out. Super, super simple. Those will come out with the steering wheel itself. Whenever you swap the wheel over, you'll have to remove that as long with your trim and your button, multimedia buttons, whatever. So we're gonna pull the steering wheel off now. Make sure your front wheels are straight. Then don't forget that, otherwise you're gonna have a nightmare. Then just pull this off, swap the wires onto the new bag, swap your trim piece plus your multi-function buttons. I'm trying to go fast, obviously. Onto your new wheel, good to go. Let's do it. All right, after you break that bolt free, your steering wheel is straight. You can line that up, whatever, I'm not gonna do it. New wheel on the back. You wanna get your multifunction buttons off. You gotta get rid of these Torx bits. Pretty sure these are either T25s or T30s. I've not tried yet, but it looks like they are T20s, actually. Am I missing my T20? They are T20s, T20. So if you're smart, unlike me, you won't do this on gravel for when you have to drop a screw in the rocks. You don't have to look for 15 minutes, dropping you back from a 25-minute project to a 40-minute project. We're going to transfer all of this onto our new wheel in the car. Let's get it done. So to reinstall this harness, you've got your T10 right here. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take this rubber piece, which you removed from this side on the ground, that slips on, that T10 goes on, your harness is ready to go. So your wheel should look something like this when it's ready. T10 torque down, and then this rubber grommet slipped over this to ground it. And these freely floating, those will connect. Again, 2-stage plugs go for the airbag. These go for your column. And then let's get our trim piece installed. Ooh, it's coming together. Now this is looking super, super nice. Honestly, when I bought it, I thought this was gonna be more yellow than orange because car's yellow calipers, but that's okay. No one's gonna know but me, but damn, it's gonna look so good when it's done. Let me finish this up and then get some pictures for you guys. God, that thing looks good. Ignore how dirty my car is. Look how nice that looks. Sheesh, 300 bucks, it's hard to beat. I don't know about the suede on here. I don't mind it. It's kind of nice when you're driving, but woof, looks good to me. Battery goes back in, this in there, you're done. It's that easy. Got it done before it started raining. Got a little bit wet, but it's no problem. That's how good it looked. Very excited. Do it. It's worth it. It's easy. Don't take it to a shop. Do it yourself. Get dirty. Do it quick. Learn. We'll see y'all in the next one.